Prime Minister Narendra Modi has repeatedly tried to improve relationship with China, whether it's inviting Xi Jinping to Ahmedabad in 2014 or the Wuhan spirit or that Mamallapuram engagement between the two heads of state and government. But these transgressions by China, they seem to be continuing. And what's the message that Dragon is sending? And then how should India respond to this? As Ram Madhav says, on ground, the posturing is tough. Let me now shift focus to the international platform. Look at how Taiwan is responding to China. Taiwan today rejected one China statement of Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, saying that it's a very irresponsible statement. Taiwan is an independent democratic country. It has a democratically elected leadership and they will decide the future of the people of Taiwan. Not only that, Taiwan has also said that they will help those fighting for democracy in Hong Kong. As protests flared up in Hong Kong and China resumes its crackdown, Taiwan has offered to help protesters in Hong Kong. Taiwan's president, Tsai Ing-wen, said that Taiwan will provide support for the people of Hong Kong. Taiwan has incidentally given refuge to a number of pro-democracy freedom fighters who fled Chinese repression in Hong Kong.
Here, I want to reiterate the words peace, parity, democracy and dialogue. We will not accept the Beijing authorities' use of one country, two systems to downgrade Taiwan and undermine the cross-strait status quo. We stand fast by this principle.
Reports from Taiwan also indicate that Taiwan has rejected Beijing's reiteration of one China policy. The Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi had spoken of one China principle in response to a question, saying both China and the World Health Organization had made arrangements for Taiwan area to participate in the World Health events.
The Taiwan issue is China's internal affair. The One China principle is universally recognized by the international community and serves as the political basis for China's diplomatic relations with other countries. We are firmly opposed to conducting official exchanges with the Taiwan authorities under the guise of health cooperation on COVID-19.
Taiwan hit back saying China must refrain from making irresponsible statements. A report in Taiwan News quoting its Ministry of Foreign Affairs accused Beijing of having contempt for public opinion and hostility towards democracy. The report also went on to say that China showed incompatibility with democratic countries. Taiwan is also at the center of a US-China war of words. After the United States cleared sale of torpedoes and related military hardware worth $180 million through foreign military sales, China protested the sale, urging the United States to refrain from selling military hardware to Taiwan. In a major snub to China, Taiwan made it very clear that it does not agree with China's one country principle. Taiwan's Foreign Office said that it is an independent democratic country with elected leadership that will take decisions for the people of Taiwan. The United States also made it very clear it is going ahead with foreign military sales of torpedoes worth $180 million to Taiwan. A very clear signal to the Dragon that neither Taiwan nor the United States are backing off. With cameraman Kripal Singh in Delhi, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.